Let's find out if Meredith Duxbury's viral beauty routine works as well on a face shard as it does on Meredith in real life. Hi there and welcome to my face shard channel. If you love makeup art and face shards, you are at the right place. If we haven't met before, I'm Lisa Kondrewicz. In this video we are going to make this face shard of Meredith, but first we have to find out if it works the way she does it. So what we need for testing of this technique is foundation, and a lot of it. If you watched one of my last videos, I used foundation as well for building the skin complexion. So I just want to test out if we can implement Meredith's technique as well. I'm applying a few drops of the product. Don't hate me for wasting the product. I gathered it for my next project, so nothing being wasted. Yeah, I think it's just not going to work with foundation, but we'll go ahead and create a face shard with my usual technique, using Meredith's new palette in collaboration with Morphe. Gorgeous colors. We have all colors we need to build the skin and the eye look. I'm not going to say much. I want you to enjoy the process, but during this video I'll mention some important tips and tricks that I'm sure will help you. Whenever I have a tip to share, you will see it popping up. If you enjoyed, you are new to face shard and eager to learn, make sure to grab my free guide, the 5-step face shard formula, including this template. It shows you the exact steps to take. It's free. You will find the link below. Now let's dive in. Tip number 1, right away, use big buffing brush for large face area. The reason for that is that it will help you to create even and smooth layer. Small brush will create strokes and patches. Tip number 2, using applicators and cotton rounds. So what it does, even if the shadows are super pigmented, the application technique will help you to create the most vibrant colors possible. Brush would swipe the most pigment away, but cotton round or eyeshadow applicator pushing that pigment into the paper, let's say, leaving the brightest colors possible. number 3. Use color pencils. Especially if you are a beginner, sketch out hair strokes and eyelashes first with pencils before you go over with liquid products. It will give you the ability to change something like the direction or placement of the hair stroke. Tip number 4. Create stencils. What it does, it speeds up the process, but also covers the space where you do not want to be covered, let's say. Also leaving sharp edge. For instance, with cut crease, it's super helpful. Tip number 5. Create highlights or shine to mimic wetness or gloss. Recreate it using art supplies, as using actual gloss will not give you that effect. I hope hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and I have one final tip for you. If you want to improve those makeup and facial skills, this one helps so many artists. Best way to learn facial makeup without spending years of art education is by downloading my free guide. And if you're already familiar with face art and want to reach the next level in your artistry of makeup, I have an online course. I will leave a link as well for you to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, you will love this video as well and this one below. Or let me know in the comments what you would like to see more, and stay tuned for the next. Bye bye.